So we know, following the um, details which have been repeatedly brought out by the investigations led by our dear leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, that there is a widespread fraud of votes in India. Examples have been given from various states like Haryana, Karnataka to show how places where the Congress has a majority number of votes, the votes have been deleted, or the voters cannot find their names. Instead of that, new numbers, new names have been added to those areas where the Congress had the maximum chance of winning. Now that's one part. But if you look at Bihar, where there was a huge anti-incumbency, the Bihar government was extremely unpopular for the rates of unemployment, for the way they treated the poor and the middle class, the way the people of Bihar had to leave the state to find employment across the country. Those desperate people wanted a change. They wanted to support the Congress party. We know that because we were on the ground. Thousands of people, every time the Congress leaders went on the ground, confided in them that they were going to vote for them, they wanted change. And yet, that did not happen because of only one reason. There was vote chori there. The BJP not just did vote chori, but also election chori in Bihar. That's why they came. That's why they won. I just told you that there was not just a vote chori, but there was an election chori by the BJP, which was extremely unpopular. Please do note that whenever BJP wins, it is because they are able to do vote chori. When they are unable to win, it is because the BJP is not able to do vote chori. Like, for example, in Jubilee Hills elections just now, by election in Hyderabad, the BJP lost its election deposit simply because they could not do vote chori here. So we know, following the um, details which have been repeatedly brought out by the investigations led by our dear leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji,